Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Facebook app and then log in to your account. So to actually change your Facebook profile into digital creator, what you're going to do is to turn on the professional mode. To do that, go to your profile page and then you can see these three dots. Just tap on that. And then you can see right here this option, turn on professional mode. Just tap on that. Now tap on turn on. By tapping on this turn on mode, you are now be able to change your profile into digital creator. So just tap on that turn on button. And then when we go back to your profile page, just scroll down and then you'll see right here, digital creator. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.